Guys, we're at Meteor Crater rest area here next to the Meteor Crater in New Mexico. Or Arizona, not New Mexico, sorry. Meteor Crater, Arizona. Yeah. Careful.
Sorry. I think someone's taking photo there.
Huh?
Someone is taking photo.
Where?
Over there. I pop out.
No, I think he's working.
Oh. He was taking photo. He maybe.
Oh. This is kind of cool. Yeah. Whew, it's kind of chilly out here. But we're on our way back east, guys, from California. Our final trip with Hurricane.
Yeah. Take photo, baby. Let's go right there.
Okay.
Put it there. It's not showing.
What?
'Cause I've been busy, I've been chasing waterfalls. I stopped believing in some kind of miracle, and I've been staring at the sun.
Okay, turn. Safe here.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so this is kind of cool. I don't know if all this is from the debris that was sprung out from when the meteor impacted the earth or not, but we're actually fairly close to the Meteor Crater. I don't know if I come up over here on the rock, maybe you guys can see it. But we do have some news to share at a later date, guys. The reason why we're leaving Hurricane Express. Yeah, it's like all this here, this debris. I don't know if it is from the meteor. Yeah, right over there, that's the Meteor Crater. Right there. Oh, right there. Woo, wobbly. There's the wifey. That's the mountain at Flagstaff. Snow at the top. Very cool. Yeah, Hurricane's not a bad company, guys. No complaints. They pretty much leave you alone. But yeah, you got these kind of mounds that are strewn all over out there, even out in the distance you can see. And there's the impact crater right there. Just makes you wonder if these mounds here and stuff like that are all from the impact of debris that sprung out. It just kind of makes you wonder. There's the wifey. So, it's chilly up here, guys. We were in Los Angeles yesterday. It was like almost 80 degrees. Up here it's like just over 40 degrees. So it just kind of tells you short distance we traveled and the temperature difference. But plus we're at higher elevation here. So yep. Very nice. Woo.
Make sure I just Google it.
Chilly. Chilly.
Yeah, it's chilly out.
Almost looks like perfectly cut. Or you can see the impact crater right there. That's the think so.
Wasn't it?
Yeah.
I don't
But, alrighty. Just weathered. The water, rain constantly hitting or something.
Where's the main Meteor Crater?
It's right there. You can see it right there.
In the center, that one?
Yeah. No.
Which one? Here's what's that? Union? It's like an igloo. Very nice sunset, guys.
You know what? I need to go get my son too. I need to see what my son's been talking about. Almost got big phones. Irresponsible.
Ingat na lang.
There's the old Route 66 Hotel and Casino. That's where we spent Thanksgiving. That's where we had our Thanksgiving dinner. Yeah. Just over that hill up there is Albuquerque, New Mexico, guys. Still making our way back home. Route 66 Hotel and Casino. We donated to them the last time we were there. Just got fuel at the top of the hill west of Albuquerque. Now we're heading down into Albuquerque before climbing the hill on the other side. Looks like we might be coming into some snow. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see you guys on the other side. Okay guys, we're on 40 East on the other side of me. On the other side of Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we're running into some little bit of snow. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. It's 35 degrees out, so just above freezing. But might get worse. Don't know yet. I'll keep you posted. Yeah, right there. It's the big Texan, guys. Home to the 72-ounce steak, Amarillo, Texas. Just passing through on Interstate 40 eastbound.
It's not that thing I can help you with.
Foggy.
Yeah, it's a little foggy out.
So foggy, guys.
Welcome to Oklahoma, guys. We're in Oklahoma. Oklahoma. guys, we're back into here to our final delivery spot with Hurricane. It's Sugar Creek Foods in Russellville, Arkansas. Our last one, last trip. Yay. Get empty here, guys, and we'll be on our way back to the yard to clean out the truck and go home.
Yeah.
We'll have some news to share with you guys soon. My goodness. This is cleaning out your truck, guys. Holy cow. When you find out you have more stuff than you thought you did packed in here.
Yeah, we can't even throw it out. This one.
Crazy. We're just trying to clean out the truck.
Yeah.
Supposed to get to the airport to get a rental car, and I can't find a ride to the airport. Lyft. It's been waiting for 20 minutes. There ain't nobody around here that does rides.
Somebody put a business here.
Yeah, no kidding. Try Uber, and it timed out a couple different times. I'm trying to find a ride, guys. Alright guys, we leaving Hurricane. This is our truck right here. It's the truck we're leaving behind. The truck, everything's good, it's just dirty. Whew. Moving out is crazy. I said moving out is crazy. How do we fit all this stuff in here? Holy cow. Yeah, I gotta go get the rental car here shortly. Kind of one last glance here, guys, of the Hurricane yard. Said my goodbyes to a fellow driver. Woo. Right there, James and Jane, James and Billy Jane. All right. Hey guys, we're here at the airport by Bentonville, Arkansas. We got get our rental car, so we can head back to, let's see. There it is, down there. I think it's a Ford Edge. Number 32. Yeah, it's decent size. That'll work. Right here. So let's head back to pick up the wifey and all of our things. Let's go.
It's all green, guys. All good.
Says it's not connected to a TV.
Yeah, because I removed the.
Okay.
Oh, we're going home, guys.
Yeah, we're all cleaned out.
Yay.
Going home.
Yay. Bye. What you got?
They didn't have no banana bread.
No banana bread.
I just got donuts to snack on.
Banana. You have banana?
Huh?
But they're all like bad. What's this? Donut? Let's see. Oh. Yummy.
Viruses to lead, PFAS, pesticides, and other contaminants. No one wants to be surprised to
St.
find
Louis
out
guys,
many impurities
about
are
ready to
in
cross
tap
into
water.
Illinois.
Everything from viruses to lead, PFAS, pesticides, and other contaminants. No one wants that. What you do want is healthy drinking water, and it starts with Aquasana. Aquasana water filters remove contaminants and leave you with cleaner, healthier, odor-free, great taste.
Springfield, Illinois. Abraham Lincoln's hometown.
You are listening to the Highway
Indiana.
Radio Show.
Welcome to
This is your highway
Indiana.
reporter, Rita Bell. There's a huge announcement.
Hey guys. We're just about ready to cross back into Michigan. Are you ready?
Welcome to Pure Michigan.